How to make money on Rumble. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Rumble by simply uploading videos. What I'm going to do is simply explain how it works, the money that you can make. I'm going to show you proof of other people making money, and then finally how you can get started yourself. So if you want to learn how you can make money on Rumble by uploading simple videos, keep watching and let's dive into it. Alright, so we all know that on YouTube you can make money by simply uploading videos, putting ads on those same videos, and they will then pay you money for these ads, right? YouTube will collect some money, they will give you some money, and everyone wins. And it's the exact same on Rumble. So here we are on Rumble, we're at the homepage, so these are all of the top videos, but what you can see right away is how much money a video has made. For example, this video right here has earned $2.78 with 8.8k views. That is not too great. However, if I go to videos, this one has made $4.04 with 1.2k views. Now that right there is a pretty decent conversion rate in terms of the amount of views and then the amount of money that you actually receive. That's about a $4 RPM, which is similar to YouTube. Then we've got this video, 406 views, made only 65 cents. That is not too great. Then we've got this one, which is even worse, 1k views, 36 cents. So you can see that the amount of money that you can make on the platform is not a set amount. So it's not like you can get 1k views and get paid $10, right, or $5. It really depends on the video itself and the video ads that play on that specific video. Now on YouTube, you always need 1k subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to monetize your videos and actually make money on the platform. How does that work with Rumble? So on Rumble, that is definitely not the case. If I just go to the homepage real quick, I can scroll down and show you the options that they've got available. So you've got the video exchange, you've got video hosting, and these are the main ones to make money on Rumble. So with the video exchange, you can get to keep 50% of the revenue. So it's a revenue share. They're pretty much going to monetize your content and you're going to get to keep 50% of your video. Please make sure that's your own video, because otherwise you might get in legal trouble. Then you've got video hosting, where they simply manage and monetize your content. You can register as well to sign up for that. But what I like about this, and that's stated in this article as well, is that with Rumble, you don't need to do too much. So all you need to do is shoot the video, upload it, and then select a licensing option. So like I said, on YouTube, you need a lot of requirements to start making money. On Rumble, you can upload your video, select one of these options. Maybe you want a 50% revenue share. You simply click on that, you select it, and you can then start making money from it. So if you're watching this video and you're like, yeah, I want to start uploading some videos on Rumble, what you can do right now after watching this video is go to the Rumble website, sign up. So simply click